Are you hurt in any way? Do you have any injuries? Are you hurt?
You sure you're okay? Do I look hot in any place?
I'm sorry. You look like an angel that just fell down from the sky. I'm just trying to be sure you're not hurt in any way.
Really? Oh my God. Yeah, I am thinking something serious happened.
I'm sorry. If you did not fall from the sky and you're not an angel, then God himself must have sent you. Because you're too beautiful. My name is Ekene. What's yours?
Chinelo. But you can call me Chi.
Okay. I hope I can see you another time.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
You're welcome. Angel Chi. Goodness me. Wait, Chi.
Thank you. Mama, don't worry, I'll carry it.
Good to see. Hey!
I can carry it.
Mama,
I said, don't worry.
Mama, don't worry. I can do it. Don't worry. Mama, leave it.
Mama, Papa.
Come and
I
join me.
see the
Come
lost
and
your
join
body
me. You
back
must well.
today.
You must well. Come and join me.
Papa, eat.
Come and sit by your mother.
Oh, Mama, how have you been now?
You're welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Papa, you're enjoying though?
You know your mommy. You know your mommy.
Mama is business.
Accra business now. You know how you used
Mama,
to
you're
be.
looking fresh. But don't worry, now I'm here to help you.
Uh-huh.
Hi, Papa. I'm happy to see you again.
Welcome.
My daughter,
Papa.
what the government say about this strike? I hope it's not going to be like the last year.
Ha, Papa. The government is not saying anything, no.
Huh?
No one knows how long all of this will last. But my question is, why are they punishing us, the students? What have we done to them? Just imagine. A program that is supposed to last for, say, 4 years ends up maybe going on for, say, 6 or more years, simply because they want to just be wicked to us. Eh? Us, their citizens. Why are they doing this to their citizens?
My dear, it is pure act of wickedness and negligence. It's not as if they don't have the resources. So
Okay.
they have everything. Yes, but they don't want you people to be liberated and be free so that no one will challenge them.
You're right, Papa. They want us to continually just, depend on them. You're very correct. Mama, where are you going to?
Mama, Nagebe.
Oh,
Mama.
sorry, I remember.
I want to go and grind my beans for my evening Accra business.
Okay, that's fine. Let me walk with you. Besides, Papa is almost set for evening mass, right?
Evening Magene. Evening Amala now. When was the last time you saw your father in church?
Papa. So you don't attend morning or evening mass?
My daughter, what do you expect me to do? Go and enrich a fellow man like me. I no longer do such a thing. No.
Papa, that logic is unacceptable. But I don't want to discuss it. That's a topic for another day. Mama?
If you want to join me, let's go. It's almost past 4.
Okay, let me just change my shoes into something more comfortable. But Papa, we'll still be seated.
You I got church. You better wait till you
It's one can make it.
I'm gonna lose
Sincerely speaking. Ekene.
My love. Why is your face like this? You remember we have not seen today. Did I offend you in any way?
I should jump or maybe fly because I'm seeing Ekene. Are you Father Christmas? Eh?
I'm only asking how you're doing. I've not done anything wrong to you, my love. Now,
Juliet, do I look sick? Maybe do I look sick? You know what, Ekene? I'm not in for this your romantic talk. Excuse me.
My love. Juliet, what's going on? What happened? Why is she upset?
My dear, I don't know. Maybe she's having an off day. But don't worry, I'll talk to her.
Please do talk to her.
No problem. Don't worry yourself.
Thank you, eh?
Okay.
Spill it. Spill it and start glaring at me like that because I hate it. Say it.
Really? You hate it? Okay, Uju, let me ask you. Why are you like this to Ekene? Why are you giving him attitude? Huh? For crying out loud, Ujunwa, you just have to calm down. Ekene loves you so much. Despite the fact he's not having enough. But he's trying his best to make sure you lack nothing. Huh? Remember, you are the envy of every girl in this village.
That is the problem. That is the problem. I used to be the envy of everyone in this village. Let's look at me. Negudi mania from head to toe. Am I still that person? I get them before not be property.
Wait. Would you wait? Is it because of Jane? So it's because of Jane that you are like this to Ekene? Because of what Jane suitor bought for her? Is that the reason why you're jealous? Huh? Why are you jealous of her?
Yes, I am jealous. I am angry. In fact, anything more than jealousy, that is what Ujunwa is right now. Why not me? From head to toe. Just look at me. Eh? Why must it be Jane? Why must it be Jane? Why is it that Ekene does not want to spend on me? Ekene is too poor. All the too poor. In fact, he's wretched. He does not have money.
Really?
I deserve better, man. I deserve something good. So let me tell you something. You said before, I used to be the envy of the stand. From class to classless. I have reduced from grace to grass. So please, you see that your mouth? Please pocket it. Pocket it. And you ought to keep on your mom Melissa very well. You are turning to your mom Melissa. Please. Zelum. Did you hear me? Stay away from me. Anything that has to do with Ekene and I, stay away from it. And stop looking at me like that.
Now so witchcraft they start to. Hey. Now wow.
What people are back? You stayed long in the market.
Is it not the TV? She keeps pricing all the old goods. Wasting our time.
See, brother, you know I need to buy the right thing at the right price. Since I'm getting more expensive by the
You have not changed though.
But if I don't price it, they will cheat me.
So that's a yes now for us to sleep at the
I
market.
beg, stop exaggerating, I beg. This one you were just smiling.
You have started to look for gossip. Go and prepare food. I'm hungry.
Hey, I'll go and prepare.
Go and prepare food.
You just me when I come back.
Did you not hear the part of I'm hungry?
Calm down. Go and sit. Calm down.
After eating.
Stop. Wait there. You know you have been cooking rubbish for us in this palace lately. You are aware, right? So you wait here until I confirm that this is not one of the rubbish you have been serving us to eat. How does it taste, sis? I said it.
Williams, do you have to spit the food on her? Do you even consider these people as human?
Is she behaving like a human? I mean, which woman will use all the pepper in her market to prepare food for us? Does she want to poison us or what?
That still does not justify the fact for you to spit the food on her. Please come with me.
If you step out of here, I will cut your 2 legs. Now sit down here and make sure you finish all this food. And none must be wasted.
Williams, this food is too much for one person to finish.
Are you trying to go against my command or what? Is that what you're trying to do? You're very stupid! How many times have I warned you?
Sorry, my friend, please.
I mean, haven't father talked to you about this before? Or do you rather prefer me tell him by myself?
No, please, do not tell the king. I'm
So
sorry.
why you be foolish enough to make this kind of food?
I'm sorry, please.
Now sit here and start eating it. Sit here. Come on. Sit here and start eating it. Idiot. Make sure you finish all the food. Now eat.
Oh, okay.
My dear, mother, what is the problem? You look so troubled.
That's true. What happened? Why are you troubled?
Nothing, Father. I'm fine. Please excuse me.
Your Majesty, you can see she's troubled. Something is really disturbing her.
I think she'll be okay. She'll come around.
Father, please, you need to go in there and talk to Williams. He has started again before he kills somebody in your house. What? Yes, Mom.
Are you still looking at me? Will you eat this before I unleash this thing on you now? You stupid girl.
My prince, please.
I will die. Eat food.
I can't eat it again.
I don't care if you die. If you die, I will feed your carcass to the vulture. Eat the food.
What is going on?
Enough.
You must stop this.
Father, you need to have a taste of what she prepared for Maria and I. There's so much pepper in it.
Williams, we all know Mmachi likes pepper. But she still remains the best cook we've had in recent years. That is the reason we allowed her to stay up till now. Please, let her be, like your father have already ordered you. Mmachi, you have to go and freshen up. Come back and prepare dinner for us.
Yes, my queen. Thank you, my queen. Thank you.
Please stop that.
Why is you not picking my call?
I've been watching you since from there. I know you're trying to call her and she's not picking your call. Just relax yourself. She will pick now. You don't need to be bothering yourself.
The Uju that I know cannot ignore my calls. This one she's not picking is what I don't understand, though.
I think you should go and check on her. At least know what the problem is, than being all worked up here. Calm down now. When did you call? Did you just start calling her now?
I've been calling her since.
And she's not picking her call.
She's not picking the call.
Yeah, now just relax. We'll go and check up on her, okay? At least let's know what the problem is, okay?
Papa, I don't have a problem. There is no way that is written that I must pick Ekene's call. I don't want to pick it. When he's tired of calling, he will stop calling.
My daughter, I don't know what made you like this. But please, talk to him. Talk to him and sort out the difference. Nothing destroys relationship like lack of communication. Please, talk to him.
I've heard you, Papa. I will pick it, but not now. I'm not in the mood.
Papa.
Ekene Nnamani.
Good morning, Papa.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you, Papa. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
How is Ujunwa?
Did you two have a fight?
No, Papa, not really. It all started yesterday. In fact, that's the reason I came here today, so I can see her.
Something must be wrong somewhere. Anyway, she's at back here. Just go and see her.
Okay, Papa.
If you had any problem with just let me know.
Okay, Papa. Hi, my love. My love, why are you acting up? Why are you behaving this way towards me? What happened? Did I do anything wrong?
You want to know, right?
Yes, I want to know.
Ekene, how many years have we dated now?
2 years? Why do you ask?
2 years. 2 years and you've not brought your people to my house. You've not brought your people to know my people. And you've not even gotten me something tangible, worth thousands, carried up in millions. And you want me to be happy. Now I'm forgetting Neff and my boyfriend is around.
Why are you talking like this? I try my best now. I always try my best.
Your best is not enough. Your best is not enough, Ekene. Your best is not enough.
What are you talking about? You want me to start treating you just the way Jen's boyfriend who lives in the city treats her?
Is that too much to ask? Or the too much to ask? Are you not the one that told me I'm more beautiful, I'm pretty, Jen is not beautiful?
It is true now.
Hey, I'm beautiful, right? Yet she's getting the most expensive gifts. Why am I sitting under her shadow? Am I not supposed to be on top? Why are you putting me under?
So you want me to get you the kind of gifts Jen's boyfriend gets for her?
Exactly.
Okay, I will get you those gifts, but promise me you will not shut me out again.
If you get those gifts, I will not shut you out again. I will open the door. Or God, open forever. Yes.
Okay, I will.
You will get all of them. Oh.
I will.
I will send them as a text message. Don't miss one.
I will not miss it. But promise me that once I get all of them, you will not be angry with me again.
I will not be angry with you again.
You sure?
Yes. It's continual. It's not something you will do and stop.
No problem. So smile for me now. Well, let's go and see Papa because I have to rush back. I have wine to tap.
Okay.
All right.
Buy them all.
I will buy
Don't
them.
leave one. Papa.
This is how you two should always be. Not what I saw earlier on. What even happened earlier?
No, Papa, it's nothing. Don't worry, we have sorted it out.
Yes, Papa.
Yes, Papa.
I'm happy for you too now. I'm glad.
Papa, you know I love him. I wouldn't have stayed angry at him for too long. Just that, you know, it costs.
That's okay. That's okay.
All right, thank you, Papa. Please, just let me drop something for you so you can use to take care of yourselves. Yes, Papa.
Hey! Ekene Nnamani, all this for me.
Please manage it for me, Papa.
It's all right.
Okay. It's all right. All right, come and see me off.
Sure.
Greet your siblings for me.
Okay, Papa.
Mama, Nne,
You have not finished.
I'm almost done now. Did you give your father those things?
I did.
Don't worry, I will think.
I did though, but he said if you're going to the market, that you should buy trousers for him when coming back.
It's a lie. Mama Kara,
I'll give it.
is she your daughter?
Nkegonefu. She's my daughter. Is she not beautiful?
Very beautiful.
You and
No wonder your akara and your fries are always very sweet. You didn't tell me.
Tell you na give me. Kenja gworogi nkegi ejimgo ugwo.
Customer give me akara.
Customer otakara biko eat your yam and dilute it with your palm wine.
Where did you get the palm wine from? Did you?
I didn't get it. I tapped it. I'm a tapper. In fact, let me give you a taste. Come. You love it.
It's okay.
How is it?
It's nice.
I told
Tasty,
you.
I must say.
Enough. Enough. Just eat your yam and drink your palm wine and leave. Do you always come here?
Now that you are rebuking me, I'm seeing the resemblance. Sure, you are always here.
Yes, I am.
You are the one that fried this yam.
Yes, I did.
If I come tomorrow, would you be here?
Enough of that question. Just eat your yam and drink your palm wine and leave. Do you always come here?
Mama, it's not your customer.
Why are your customer?
Customer that will come and eat yam 3 hours he's still here, diluting it with palm wine. Go drink customer here. And the man pucha kwa mungo.
Get me more yam, Biko.
That's right.
Yeah, my fella.
Get more palm wine.
Mama, that's Ekene. Where is he from? Because I don't think he's from this village.
You mean the palm wine tapper?
Yes.
He's not from this land. But I wonder what a handsome graduate like him will be doing in this town. Tapping palm wine.
Graduate. Mama, you mean Ekene is a graduate?
He said so. The other day he came here with his brother and sister. 3 of them are living together.
Hey, yeah. Hi. Well, he's handsome though. And funny too.
He's very flattering.
Exactly, Mama.
Before you know it, I'll pack all the yam and give him. You tell me I've not made sales, so I'll balance you tomorrow. I'll still let him go.
He paid you today. Calm down. You can't chase all your customer away.
He didn't pay me for day before yesterday. He still owing, but I know.
Mama, you that I know, he did not pay the first and you gave him yam and akara today.
Because
how?
he's my customer.
Now he's your customer. You see your life. Your husband is waiting for you.
Comes here to buy them.
That's so funny. You can't say that. But Princess, you're very funny. Like the tortoise flew, the thing fly. Tortoise. You're kidding me right now. How can you say that? Okay, so what now happened to the dog?
Hey, leave.
Stay. I'm sorry, Williams. You can't just ask my servant to leave without my permission. And as you can see, she's busy with...
She's busy doing nothing. She's just being lazy around you, sister. Come on. You forget the fact that you're royalty and you shouldn't be seen with these commoners.
So because I'm royalty, you mean I shouldn't make friends? My dear brother, you're not serious.
What I'm saying is that you should make friends with people of same status and not those minors. I mean, I understand the fact that your stay in the foreign land has affected you negatively, that you do not know how to differentiate your position as royalty to your subjects.
My years in the UK has opened my eyes to the error you and father has been living in. And besides, they are not outsiders. They are people we rule.
Good. Just as you rightly said, these are people that we rule and not people we should be considered as friends to us. Sister, I would like you to know the difference.
My princess, I think your brother is right.
Oh no, he's wrong. Harmony is a state of being at peace with everyone and not to rule as tyrants. Let's go back to what we're doing. You were giving me gist. What did you say happened to the dog?
That is now came back and
Why are you laughing?
Oh my
Is it not true?
Oh my God. What you
Your Highness, Father, Mother.
You're welcome.
Welcome, sir.
You know what? This is your mother. She's a very, very big clown.
I'm a clown and you are in love with that clown and have spent almost the better part of your life with her.
Well, yes, this clown is a good one, and I know I love her. Yes.
Oh, do I say I love you? I don't need to say that, do I?
You do, you have a choice, but all I'm trying to say is this. William will find a better woman than Maria. Because she doesn't have that leadership quality. She's too soft.
And that softness is the asset that will set her on the top.
No, Mother. Actually, that's exactly what is going to destroy her. I mean, but what are you saying? People look at us and jealous us. And that jealousy is hatred for our destiny, our pet. Things that we have they do not have. Once we show any sign of weakness, Father, Mother, we are gone. We are gone for good.
You are wrong there, my dear son. When your people love you as their leader, they will do everything, anything, in order to make sure you are happy because you are their leader and they love you. Don't forget, love brings protection.
No. Fear breeds submission. When they are afraid of you, it makes it easier for you to rule in peace. That is it.
I mean, thank God that I have a father that sees things from the way that I see it. I mean, it's amazing. Maria is ruining her life. Mother, I would advise that you call her to order. She is your daughter. I'm out of here.
So don't worry. I'll personally speak with her.
You see what they're saying? When you lead your people with fear, how can they be free with you? When your people fear you, how can they be free with you?
No, that's not right.
Serves him right. Kudos to you. I like the way you handle that lazy guy. I mean, that guy is so cute to be lazy and unproductive. What is wrong with him? Ijia, unproductive. I wonder what a handsome graduate is lazing about in this village. Why his mates are in the city, hustling, making money, sending to their wives and girlfriend, but he decided to be tapping palm wine or tap palm wine. It's not graduate. Graduate's my foot. That story of him being a graduate is a lie. The guy is lying. He's whining you. He's not a graduate. Jane, I've seen his NYSC pictures. They are view. My sister,
those photos can be worked on. People call it Photoshop. Exactly. Because if that guy is a graduate, he will be up and doing. Or hustle. Or you want to end your life with a pan wine tapper? Is that what you want to do? A fine girl like you want to end up with a pan wine tapper? Ordinary pan. Just know what you're doing, no?
Oh man, may God forbid I reject it. Even for my enemy, I rebuke, I reject
Uju, what is even wrong with you? What's your problem? Is Ekene not trying his best to take care of you? Eh? Or what if an enemy is? Will you just calm down for that guy? He loves you so much.
On your mom, Melissa. So you want me to bring my children to this world to come and suffer? Is it that pan wine tapping that he makes how much? And maybe in a day he will make 500
but he's
or 1,000.
taking good care of you. He's taking good care of you.
No, look at me. Do I look like somebody that somebody is taking care of?
Yes.
Are you not seeing James? Are you not seeing what James is doing in James' life? Yeah. Anyways, I asked him to buy some things for me. Let's see if you can be able to afford them.
Hey, my sister, forget it. He's buying nothing for you. Or you want to compare my own James to your pan wine tapper? Bet me, he's buying nothing for you. Bet me now. No, Coach.
Supportive motion. Maybe I'm supporting him. Support him with money now to buy those things.
Calm down for Ekene. Ekene loves you so much. Don't do anything that you regret.
Oh, love can't get it. Is it love that will eat?
Calm down, because you two get longer throat. You're gonna go.
It's like you come and be going because
if you want me to go, I'll go.
I'm sure anybody.
I'll just leave you at the junction, eh?
No, please. Let's go together to dance with Juma, my girlfriend, so that she will know that you and I are just friends. But if you don't have this friend...
No, it's fine. It's okay. Let's go.
Thank you.
No problem.
I don't fear you.
No, Nathan, it's just good for people.
You get mouth.
Jane, repeat what you just said now because I'm not understanding. I'm boiling or even way more. Repeat what you just said.
My sister, I said I saw Ekene Nnamani, your pan wine tapper, in a bar with a random girl, kissing, smooch, doing all sort of things. And when I confronted them, they nearly killed me. I saw them. Your Ekene Nnamani, pan wine tapper.
That boy is daring me. Ekene Nnamani na dare him. That boy is, you know when you see, I'm coming down now. You know when I will descend on him? It's when he comes to my house without what I asked him to buy for me. I will descend like descendant on him.
Wait.
Uju,
calm down first. Chelukwa. He's in a bag of popcorn. Jane, are you sure of what you're saying? Did you see them with your two naked eyes? Because, you know I'm saying this. I know Ekene very well, and I don't think Ekene can do anything like this. Yes. So you better know what you're saying, no? Are you sure?
Am I not seeing very well? I saw them. That guy is cheating on you. Leave that guy.
Who? You saw who? Why are you lying?
And you, what are you doing here? See the girl. What are you doing here? I saw them with my two.
I see. You can lie, yo. Saw who? Saw you and you.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Are you going to believe this girl over me?
Why would she believe me?
She said she saw you and you.
I saw them. Yes.
Hey!
Are you sure you saw Ebumisi? I saw them now.
Did she or did she not see both of you?
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Honey, don't worry. I brought you the things you sent to me through text message. I bought all of them. I came with my friend to deliver them to you. Let me see how.
You bought all of them?
Yes.
Thank you. I know you
will.
Hello.
Don't worry, let me see how I'm coming.
Okay.
All right.
So because of his stuff that he bought for you, you want to believe him?
Shut up. Men know the kind of friend. Men know the kind of friend.
Don't
come to my house again, no.
You want to follow up on wine tapa? Follow up on wine tapa now.
You can't
hold on.
That girl looks so familiar, but I can't recall where I know her from. And you, Jane, be very careful what you're saying. Be very, very careful. Be careful. Because you can go if you like gossip.
Thank you so much for coming to bail me out. Even though I know I'm the one that caused it by bringing you out there, but thank you.
Well, you don't need to thank me. Listen, like I always tell people, relationships shouldn't be like military regimes. I mean, both partners are allowed or should be allowed to make new friends. Because trust me, the friends you make today are the same people your children will call connection tomorrow.
Exactly. Not everybody understands that. So I am sure you and I are friends now.
Of course.
Because you're very beautiful and you're going to be my children's connection tomorrow.
Must you always flatter me?
What's the truth?
Oh, sorry. Why is he calling me on video?
Who is that?
My fiance.
Oh.
Well, please, just give me a moment. Let me take his call.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello? Hi, sweetheart.
Where are you coming from? And who is that guy beside you?
I'm going home now.
Lies! Lies, Chinelu! Thunder will strike you dead if you don't leave that place this moment and head back home. What is wrong with you? Really? She ended my call.
What gives him the right to think that he can always order me around? How dare he?
Where is he from?
He's from Okigwe.
So, shit. What's the problem? Why are you raging so angrily?
Okay.
Oh, let me just go. I'm really not in the mood.
No problem.
Later.
I'll see you another time.
That's fine.
Bye-bye.
Do you love this lady?
Father, love is just an understatement. She's everything and more than I ever wanted in a woman. I was just molding this girl into becoming the next queen of Okigwe Kingdom.
Then go pay her a visit and see what she's doing. You may have to stay in a hotel for some days.
Father, it seems like it's what I'm going to do. Go see her.
Then you will as well bring her to me to see that maiden that has won your heart, that makes you angry whenever she misbehaves.
Don't worry, Father. I will make sure I bring her along with me when I visit.
Jane,
Papa?
your phone is ringing.
Papa, I'm aware I don't want to take the call. I don't know why this person keeps calling, but whatever it is, when he or she is tired, he will stop calling.
My dear, I'm surprised. You call the first one, the second one, the third one, and the person is not picking, and you keep on calling. Huh? Give her that bunker. Chinelo, if you know you are not answering this call, why not silent or better still off it? Abokaroma.
Is her phone still ringing?
No, where now?
This phone has been ringing since. Eh? I was even calling her. Eh? Even the person that is even calling is calling like my daughter stole from him or her. Hello? Why are you calling as if my daughter stole something from you? Who are you?
Mama.
Hello.
Mama, what do you think you're doing answering my call?
My name
Mama.
is Frank William, the Crown Prince of Okigwe Ancient Kingdom.
Mama, what are you doing answering my phone call?
Okigwe Ancient Kingdom.
Enna?
I know you don't know me, but don't worry, I'll be coming
Mama.
around soon. So we can have this son-in-law and mother-in-law dialogue.
There is no problem, my son.
Mama, give me my phone. Mama, leave me alone.
Williams of Okigwe.
Hello?
Oh my God, just now.
What is it?
Why haven't you been picking my calls? I've been trying to reach you.
You think I'm one of your loyal servants?
Or are you ignoring my call because of the boy that I saw you two together the last time?
Can you just go straight to the point and say whatever it is you want to say? Else, I'll just end this call.
I would like to come and see you. Please send me your address. And my father, the king, would love to see you as well.
Nah, bro, this is not the right thing, eh? This is not the right thing. Hey, you can't be doing everything a lady asks you to do. Hey, this is not love now, my brother. Hey, this is mind control. I don't like it. You have to stop it.
Ndudi, which of these is your problem? The fact that I went to collect my money, emphasis on my own money, or the fact that I want to give it to the woman I'm getting married to. How is it your business? What have you got to do with this?
Both of them is my problem. You're my brother and I care about you a lot. Eh? I can't be here and you acting like someone that is under a spell. It is so annoying now. Eh? I have told you, you don't have to do everything the lady asks you to do. You're a man now, you have your own word. Eh?
Kuchago, thank you.
Is that what you're telling me?
What do you want me to tell you?
Ekene, I don't understand you. Eh? Yeah, you're acting like someone that is under Kiamata. I don't even understand. Which can come be this one way you do now, my brother? Eh?
I am not under any spell. Tell me, which spell is stronger than true love? But tell me.
I know you love this girl. There is no doubt about that. But at least you won't do everything she asks you to do now. Eh? You know what I'm saying is true.
My beauty. The only cherub and seraph in this village. The most beautiful Homo sapien to ever
Okay. Now. That reminds me. What course did you study?
Political science. So how was your night, beauty?
Well, my night was good. And how is my admirer? Hope you slept well.
Yes, I did. Has Akara finished?
Yes. I'm sorry I didn't keep any for you.
Oh my God, Akara has finished. What am I going to tell my ancestors? You think it's funny?
Like, seriously? Okay, sorry. You know what? You can tell them anything. Besides, they will understand that I didn't do that on purpose. It wasn't intentional. I'm sorry.
Now, you owe me one.
What do I owe you exactly?
You owe me a sit-out to make up for not keeping Akara for me.
That I can do. Besides, I enjoyed your company last time, so.
So, can I have your number? So at least I can give you a call.
Of course. You and Akara. You've actually sold your destiny to Akara.
But you know I love Akara so much. I'm calling your number, you see my phone.
Yes, I will check it.
How is your mom?
She's fine. She went to the market.
Wow. I really like your delicacies. You guys do a good job here.
For Akarayam.
Yes, now. Phone call.
You sold your destiny to Akarayam.
Very much fine, Papa. How about you?
Please, who are you looking for?
Well, my name is Prince Williams Mbaji. I am the Crown Prince of Okigwe Ancient Kingdom. Mama spoke on the phone the other day, you remember?
Oh, Nago. Hey, yes, Yoku. Nadalokwa. How are you?
I'm very much fine, Mama. Mama, please, is Chinelo in? I tried to reach her on the phone, but her number is not going through.
She went out though she didn't tell me where she was going to. But I heard when she was talking about her phone battery, that her phone battery was remaining 3%. But Nine, don't you know where Chinelo went to? Did she not tell you?
I don't know. Why not go and look for her to get this place? You know she's the only friend she has in this village.
Have you forgotten that Ogechi traveled the day before our daughter came back from school?
Okay, there's a burger.
Prince, don't worry. I will quickly go. I know one or two places I will go now. I will see her.
That's something then. Let's drive to this place together. I mean, I have a car that will convey us, so there will not need for you to trek. Please, let's go together.
Wait, you mean me in your car?
Come on, Mama, stop being dramatic.
Yes.
We'll go together with my car.
It will help. It will even help us go faster.
Let me have the car. Please, wait for me here, just in case she comes back. Okay? Be careful.
Wait. In case my daughter comes back.
How to stable yourself there before you can fetch the wine and the water and everything. How are you?
Pia, Chalo, what are you doing with the flavor and you? Have I not told you not to be seen anywhere around my shop? What is your problem? What you come to my shop to do is to buy a karanji and not to be seated with my daughter.
Mama Kara, okay,
Mama Kara, customer again.
Your Highness, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I didn't wait for you. I didn't know you were still coming.
So, Chinelo, this is it. A pan wine tapper is who you want to pair against me. What an insult.
My love, Ekene and I were just friends. There's nothing going on between both of us.
A friend that you prefer to spend your time with, instead of you staying in the house waiting for me to come because I promised to come. You made me wait for you, search everywhere for you, before seeing you in the arm of another man. What a downgrade. Now, get into the car, let's leave here.
What's the bana moto from Piapoganya? Bana moto. What's waka buy and bana moto and you can go back? I told me if you're not come. Okay, one money could save an akara. After the akara you buy, you come there to buy akara and you still owe me, you will not finish the payment.
Customer.
Customer of what? What do you buy from me? Customer guinea boy and keji. Customer guinea. And akara. Na kusero wo. I don't want to see you anywhere around my daughter. Each could kaka maybe remove my is my uncle. Pama. Can't you do kwage kemara? And you?
I'm just a customer.
Customer guinea?
Nkeji.
Oburon Kemwan. It's not my daughter that comes to my shop to buy his G. And you like front car. If you don't yeah, you home now, Master Chagi. You can hear remote or not, why not go to the back? And you, if you go near Anamoto, esi na awụ ya inwe moto inwe ụgbọala fụrụ ka ọ dị awụbana m inwere ya onye ụchọ isi obi Chinelo, honestly, I am disappointed at you. Why would you stoop so low to that poverty-stricken palm wine tapa? When you know you have someone like this handsome young man who is interested in you.
Mama, Ekene and I are just friends. No strings attached. So stop making it look like we're doing anything together.
People are not doing anything together, but you're always so close to him. 2 days ago that I called you on video call, you were with him. Today something is happening and you're here claiming that you guys have nothing together. Are you talking to a baby?
You have the right to believe whatever you want to believe. It's your business. By the way, why are you looking for me?
I cannot have you talk to him like that. How can you be so rude to someone who traveled all the way from his kingdom to come see you?
Martina, why not give this girl some British space?
Which British space?
Huh?
No, Papa, just allow her. Let her keep slandering me before my guest she's just meeting for the first time.
Does it matter?
What is it? Why are you here?
Well, my father is Royal Highness, King Mbaji, Idejimba one of Okibo Kingdom, has asked me to bring the pretty damsel that has stolen my heart. Since it's late, I suggest to make this movement tomorrow.
There you go again. Always lording everything over me. Why didn't you just send for me like you usually do back when I was in campus?
Okwi.
My prince.
Rich people, they don't make noise. Just sign.
Here they are, my friends.
You know?
Here are some beautiful, nice clothes. I bought them for you because my father, the king, would like to see you dressed as royalty.
Chere, royalty? My daughter, she will do that. You are a royalty for me. You will wear them. Nah, darling. Hey, Chimo, you will remove this one. Tomorrow you wear any of these two.
I know you wish she's yours, right? I mean Chinelo. You know, she's more reserved and homely than Uju.
Not only is she more reserved, she's more intellectual. But now the prince has taken her away.
That arrogant brat. I can bet you they won't last at all. You know him very well. He messes up with beautiful things. Huh? Just calm down, okay, my brother? I know you're not in the mood, but at least let me bring the game. Let's play. At least that would lighten up your mood.
Yeah, you can go and bring it. I need that distraction.
Sure, please. Just like, I don't like you in this mood, my brother. Okay, then, my guy. All right, now let me quickly go get the game now. So.
All right.
All right.
Ciao.
You're looking so beautiful, gorgeous, I must say.
Thank you.
As a matter of fact, you're so pretty that any man in his right senses would fall head over heels in love with you. And I'm glad that I have.
But it feels a bit too tight.
Don't worry about it. You'll get used to it with time, okay? Come on, let's go. My father, the king, will be waiting for us.
My daughter,
Mama,
please go and have fun. You deserve every good thing that is coming your way. Enjoy yourself.
Nwamo,
Papa?
please remember where you are coming from and make us proud. Oh?
Are we, Papa?
You make us proud.
Papa, Mama, I have nothing to worry about. I will take good care of this pretty damsel.
Take care of my daughter.
My son, I can say you have made the very right choice. She's beautiful, but then I hope she will give you peace. Because peace is the strongest recipe in a good relationship.
Oh, well, Father, love brings respect, and respect brings peace, which is the understanding. Chinelo loves me so much, and I love her too. That alone is enough propel in our relationship.
I can see that my son has really grown.
I learned from my father.
Well, I agree with you. Love is a very strong force, in propelling a lasting relationship. Take ours as a case study.
But she's not happy. Her heart is set on something else or somewhere else. Maybe gloomy or heavy. My dear, would you mind telling me or telling us what is making your heart so heavy?
Nothing, my queen. I'm fine.
Nothing, you're fine. But I'm a woman like you. I understand our chemistry so much. Your heart is heavy and your spirit is angry. But there is no problem if you don't want to tell us about it. No need for me to pry into your privacy.
Thank you, my queen.
You're welcome. My son here is cool. And he's so much in love with you.
Yes, Mama, I love her so much.
He kept telling us about you. I was surprised when he said he would bring his woman for us to see. I was like, wow, that's cool. And now you're here. You look so beautiful.
Thank you, my queen.
Son.
Father.
Can we just leave their trade to them? I mean, gossip, we're not just that.
You're right, Father. Mama, I'll be right back.
So you're still upset because of that stupid Pawanta?
You hurting me.
Huh? After everything I've done for you, you've not seen anyone else to cheat on me with except him.
You hurting me, please. Stop.
So, tell me the truth. Do you want to leave me for him? Are you sleeping with him?
No.
Listen to me. I have invested so much in you and I'm still willing to help you. But I have to let that boy go. Else, I will make his already miserable life more miserable.
There's nothing going between Ekene and I.
Listen. I'm going to kill that boy if you don't stay away from him. And I'm not joking.
How you guys?
Fine. That's good. You didn't tell me that I was today.
No, I just want to surprise you with my presence.
Well, so how you doing?
I'm fine. What are you guys doing here? Why not we look for somewhere and start so have some drink?
Wow. Girl to girl.
Let me take you guys out. Let's
Wow,
sit
that
out.
was nice. Oh, yeah, let's go and enjoy ourselves. Let's go.
You don't like this. You don't like this. No, you don't like
That guy is so fun to be with. Ah, God, I can't stop laughing. Jane is so lucky to have a guy like James. He's so funny. Look at the way he's cracking jokes, making everybody to laugh. Honestly, he's so fun.
Shut up. Juliet, shut up. Juliet, shut up. Shut up. You've been talking since we got to this place. Oginede.
Hey.
Can't you again? Is this second Jesus or is he coming back like Jesus Christ? Which one?
Yes, he is. To you, he is not. But to Jane, he is. Will you just stop being unnecessarily jealous and get hold on yourself? What is even wrong with you? Every time you keep condemning Jane this, Jane's boyfriend, that. Oginebo, what's your problem? Eh?
Did you just say I'm jealous?
Yes, you are.
Wow, this is ridiculous.
Uju, I know you too well. I know you very, very well. It was even written all over your face, even while we were drinking in the bar. To an extent that James even noticed it. Oginedu, I don't even know why you hate that guy so much. Eh? Jane is your friend though, and she loves you so much. Can you have your problem? Please take it easy before you give someone's child poison.
It's you that will give that poison. It's not even Jane. It's you because you're the one making noise in my ear now.
You are too jealous.
You know what? I can see that they sent you. Because go and tell that person that sent you did not see me. Please abort your mission.
Because see about poison, if all day. Jealousy. Nonsense. Oh God, you're not condemned. Please don't go and kill somebody's daughter.
Juliet, I'm sorry I asked you to come and see me here.
So what's going on?
It's about your friend, Uju. Please, tell me the truth. Don't lie to me. Oh.
What is it? Let me hear it first.
Is she seeing another man? I mean, does she have another boyfriend?
No. I've not seen her with another man, and I don't think she has another man in her life.
Then why is she acting the way she does?
I don't know. Ekene, I don't really know why she's doing this to you. I don't know why she's giving you this attitude. But don't worry. I believe the love you both share together is strong and powerful enough to heal you and make you stronger. Okay?
She has shut me out.
How? Shut you out?
Yes. I went to her place yesterday to see her. She wasn't around. I stayed back. I stayed long there, and when she came back, she was wearing a long face. I tried asking what the problem was. She just walked past me and ignored me.
This is very, very serious. I wonder why she's acting towards you like this. I don't know why she's behaving like that.
I don't know.
I don't know, because I've tried talking to her several times. I made her believe that you love her so much that she should calm down for you, and she keep acting up and saying all manner of nonsense. But don't worry, Ekene. I'm going to her place now. I think I have to talk some senses into her brain. Okay. So don't worry yourself. I'll talk to her.
Thank you very much.
Worry,
Help me and talk to her.
No problem. Don't worry.
Thank you.
All right. Take care.
What do you want and how did you find me?
I'm not going to pant words with you, so I will just be specific and go straight to the point. I want to give you 500,000 naira so you can stay away from my girl, fiancé, Ginelo. Or is 500,000 too small for a palm wine tapper like you? Probably I can make it up to 800,000 naira, but please, stay away from her.
I may be poor in wealth, but I'm not poor in sense. I don't betray my friends.
We're going to say again. It's either you make a decision or you regret ever meeting me.
Ekene woke up this morning, came straight to your house to report me and what to you. Is it that he's seeing you as my mother or elder sister?
You know what, Uju? I don't really know why you're taking this matter too far. I don't know why. Ekene is only being concerned about this. He doesn't know why you're giving him this attitude. Uju? Please. You and Ekene has come a long way to be fighting like this. Just try and make this relationship work. And stop overreacting.
Wait though. Did he also tell you that I'm the one making the relationship not to work? Makachi, if I tell you that I'm happy that we're discussing my relationship here, I'm a liar. This early morning I should be doing something, not discussing my relationship. So Ekene is now gossiping with my name. Ekene is my pastor. See, let me tell you, this is between Ekene and I. It's our relationship. Don't be the third person in it. If he comes to your house to complain, tell him Agwanam. He should not tell you. Relationship therapists, respect yourself. Oh.
You know what?
Blessing CIO. Respect your way go.
Sometimes I don't really understand you, Uju. I don't. The way you're taking this matter as if... well, I don't even know why I'm taking it too far. I don't know. I'm the one carrying it on my head.
You don't need to
I'm being a bad friend by advising you, Abi.
You don't need to understand me. And you're not supposed to be carrying another person's relationship on your head. Get your own relationship and carry your own on your head. Everybody, all man on their own. I carry my matter, you carry your matter.
And who said I don't have a relationship?
Chere, is my man entering your eye? And my man is now bagging anya. Close them.
Because I don't have my own man, Abi.
Close it.
You don't know what you're saying.
In fact, let me tell you. Are you not the one that brought it to my house?
Go. I'll follow you.
This is my house. You go front. I'll be at the back. See this one. Let's go. So Ekene came to the point.
Nico, let me hear what. You're taking this matter.
Believe me, Ekene, I am not the one who gave him your house address. Why would I don't get it.
So you're trying to tell me he just sniffed his nose around and found out where I lived?
I can't believe you're suspecting me this much. I don't even know where you live. The few times we've met, we've seen along the road, in my mother's shop. So how would I tell him what I don't know?
That's actually true. I'm sorry I even suspected you in the first place. I'm sorry.
It's okay. What did he say he wanted?
He said he would offer me 800,000 naira for me to let you be. But I never knew that's how much he valued you.
Prince Williams did what?
Yes.
So I am just a commodity to him to bargain and offset whenever he wants?
Anyways, I turned him down. I told him I would not do that. I value your friendship very much.
Why would he even...
You value her? You value her, yet you cannot take your miserable self out of my life.
Joe, what's the meaning of this?
Ekene, your mates woke up this morning. They went to their business, their shop, their offices. But you woke up this morning to go and report to my friend. My mom and I didn't know.
Uju, what is wrong with you? What? Ekene here is only being concerned. He wants to know what is wrong. And besides, you guys have come a long way for you to be fighting like this. Please just try to make this relationship work. Try to make it work.
Hold on. Ekene, so you told her that I've not been making this relationship work? That's saying I'm only na kutu. So he told you that I'm the problem. No, I'm sure you're not putting on Google. You can see who the problem is. You can see who the problem. Just look at him. Look at him professing love to another woman.
And you stop it. Don't bring me into this. Both of you just work on your relationship and don't put me in the middle, please. I don't want it. There's nothing going on between the both of us.
You can deny it all you want. Besides, I'm no longer interested in this relationship. I'm tired of this ungrateful pop and wine tapper. And as for you, Juliet, stay away from me. Because I'm seeing that this thing is collabo. 3 against 1. In fact, the 3 of you, stay away from me.
Juliet, I'm sorry I dragged you into this.
It's okay. Please don't mind her. She has been looking for an excuse to act up like this. I don't know why she should be this upset. I'm going.
All right. Sorry, eh? Take care.
She's right. Sorry for everything that's happened to you today.
It's okay. I guess my chi woke me up today from the wrong side of the bed.
Where is that coming from?
But that's
Anyway, just forget about it. Tell me, where do you live? We're friends now, so I should know where you live.
Come along now. Is that what you're saying, small? Just down the road.
Thank you. Yes. How was it? Well, I thank God. Market wanted to be done today. Maybe because our daughter wasn't here to help me out.
Are you saying Chinelo did not come to the shop today to help you?
Is she already back from the palace?
Yes. Prince William said he was in a hurry to attend to something very important, that he will be back next time.
But I'm certain he will make a good son-in-law.
That is true. But let me ask you, if Chinelo did not come to the shop today to help you, where has she gone to?
Darling, let me go inside.
It's all right. You are welcome.
Ekene, thank you so much. I had a really good time today. I mean, your family, they are wonderful. Especially in Kiru. She tells a lot of stories. Should have just been a broadcaster, you know.
Nkiru is like that. I'm glad you had a nice time and you all got along very well.
Yeah, of course. They are so much fun to be with.
Sorry, I've been meaning to ask you. I hope you don't see it as though I'm prying.
No.
What happened to your face?
Is it noticeable?
Not really if you don't look too well. Did anybody hit you?
No. The thing is, I accidentally hit my, on the door. Nothing serious.
Chinelo, that is not true. You left your mother's shop to hang out with me when you should be there. There must be more to that.
What are you thinking?
It's either your father or your mother or Prince Williams that did this to you. No, I'm glad you told me. I'm glad you can trust me, but then you cannot just keep...
Well, the thing is, I don't have a lot of friends, and the little ones I have are now avoiding me. I really didn't have anywhere to go to. That's why I came to your place.
It's okay. I appreciate that you came to my place.
And like I said, I had so much fun. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please, stay away from toxic people so that you can maintain this beautiful smile on your face.
Thank you. I think I should, get going.
All right then.
Yeah, Chen. Did you, instead of coming to the shop to help me out, you went to stay with this good-for-nothing idiot, Anampama? And again, have I not told you not to be seen anywhere around my daughter?
You don't even know me. Why are you acting hostile towards me?
Onyekibu, what is your surname? Shut up! Check out Boku. Let me tell you, I don't want to see you anywhere around my daughter. I want to go one girl. And you, this light that is entering this family, I don't want you to use this wine tapa to quench it.
Mama, can you stop this? At this age, you're still telling me who to be friends with, who to mingle with. Can you stop it? I don't like it, seriously. Stop!
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Anumpama, look at you, bringing yourself so low to mingle with issue one. I told me if we also.
Okay, now that I've known your house, I will go. But I'll be coming to visit you.
You will coming where? Jerry, you come and get out. Get out of my house. Come and get out.
Mama, why are you embarrassing me?
You show me. You will coming where? Nabin Nagino.
Stop this. This is not proper, please.
Don't use this kai boy to spoil anything for me. You'll be coming and then walking and don't wish you show me. The moment you entered here, flies came around my house. You know she go ogirishi. But wine tapa. I don't want to see you anywhere around here. Come walk here. And you, imagine, get up and get kai maybe why you're getting? Go chiri kai ne woro aburacha. Ure maybe my uncle. Or see I'll be coming.
How are you?
Hi, James. I'm fine.
What are you doing here?
I'm actually waiting for Keke, but thank God you're here. It's God that brought you my way because this sun is too much.
Which side are you going?
Aloze Street.
Yes, I'm going through that direction. Come now.
Oh, thank you.
Do you mind having a drink with me somewhere?
Oh, that would be so nice. I don't mind. Test it. Yes. There's something.
Thank you. I know where to go. Would you?
Are you sure you brushed your hair this morning?
Yes.
See, my daughter, I've been wanting to ask you this. Why is it that you are not always free with Prince Williams? What's the problem?
Well, Papa, it's very commendable that you noticed it. The truth is, Mama doesn't even care. All she cares about is the wealth at the detriment of my mental well-being.
So, does it mean you don't like him anymore or what? But we heard that both of you were together throughout in the school, so why now? What is going on?
Papa, the truth is, I welcome Prince Williams into my life because he's a big spender. He spends a lot of money on me. The thing is, okay, if you recall, each time I leave here for school, I don't call you or Mama for any extra money. That's because he's always there for me. But Prince Williams is abusive.
Abusive? Like, he do beat you?
Papa.
Hey, Wochimo.
He did this to me the last time he took me to see his father.
This is serious. Do you know I have never laid my hand on your mother for over 22 years we have been together? I will not allow any man to do that to my daughter. It's not possible. Anyway, I will have a word with your mother.
Papa, there's no need. If you must do anything, you have to do it by yourself. You know that Mama will never believe you or me if we tell her anything. So I suggest if there's anything you want to do, just do it alone without letting her know.
Okay, I know how to handle it. No problem. I know how to do it.
Thank you, Papa.
Don't worry. No.
line not ringing.
Which kind of problem is this? This is not picking my call though. Eh? I wonder what he's doing. But he's the one that promised to come and take me out by 4 today. Now it's 5 o'clock. Eh? What is happening?
Maybe he's busy now. That's why he's not answering his phone. So just calm down.
James can never be busy to the extent of him not picking my calls. See, if I call him this once and he didn't pick, I'm not going to call him. James is mourning like someone who is having sex.
Mourning? How do you mean?
Do you think I should go to his house and find out what is happening?
Well, that's fine. If you know you don't trust him.
But it's going to look as if maybe I didn't trust him.
But I want to ask you, what if he's actually doing it with someone you don't know? You know, men cannot be trusted.
James can never cheat on me. He can't. You know what will happen? Let's go to my house and go to his call. Once he calls, both of us will go to his house. Or do you have any way to go? Not really sure. Alright, let's go. Let's see that again.
Darling, you see, Prince William is somebody every family will desire to have as a future son-in-law.
Okay.
But there's this complaint from my daughter that we need to look into.
Complain? What did she say?
She accused him of being abusive. She even showed me some marks on her neck.
Nai Potaba, what do you mean by that? Don't you know that when you fight in a relationship and reconcile, it makes that relationship stronger? What are you saying? Pastors and their wives, they fight. Don't we fight and reconcile? In fact, that is even a sign that that young man loves our daughter. Nai Potabeba, don't put idea, especially now that Chinelo is looking for a way to back off from that relationship. No,
darling, you will not tell me not to put my eyes there. We need to observe what is happening. So that tomorrow people will not say we handed over our daughter to a monster or a woman beater.
How do you even see that young man? Very gentle, good looking. We are lucky that we have him as our son-in-law to be in Ako.
You are just seeing physical aspect.
Oh, where are you going?
Father, I looked for you before, but you were not in your room or your throne.
Yeah. I was at the back watching the birds live their lives freely. I wish we humans have the opportunity to live such lives without worries and anxiety. I wish we could just fly to wherever we want to fly to. Fly to anywhere until the night falls upon us. Was that not for us? So where did you say you're going?
Yeah, Dad, actually I was on my way to Umueke to see my beautiful damsel, Chinelo. I mean, it's been a while I saw her, so I miss her so much, and I think it's right that I go see her.
Yeah, that'll be fine. I wish to actually see her. Because the last time we met, we didn't have time for a good chat.
Okay, Father. I promise I'll bring her with me when coming back.
It's all right. Have a fun field day, son.
I will, Father. Take good care of yourself.
You've been staring at me for the past 4 minutes, without saying a word.
You keep getting beautiful each day.
Thank you. You always love to flatter me.
What do you expect? I can't help it because, my love, you keep looking and getting beautiful as the day breaks upon us. You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
My heart.
Yes, darling.
My love. My everything.
This flattering is just too much.
Babe. Please, marry me. Please don't say no. This is what you've always wanted. Please don't say no. Just marry me, please.
Of course I'll marry you. It's what I've always wanted. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, I love you.
Babe, I love you so much.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
Yes, thank you for saying yes. You know, I love you so much and I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
You know I love you too, and I also want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Thank you so much, my friends.
I hope you
Thank what? Don't you have conscience? With all the things he brought, why are you referring to him by his title? Call him sweet names like my baby, my sugar, my honey, my chingom, my anything sweet.
Mama, it's
my
fine.
potato.
My gorgeous damsel. The envy of all the women in this world. Tell me, do you like those things that I bought?
Yes, she likes everything. Everything. I like them too.
Yes, yes, thank you. You didn't tell me you're coming today.
Does it matter? Does it matter? My prince, forget about what she's saying. This is your house. You can come anytime, any day, any minute, even in the midnight. In fact, if you want to come and spend the night or a day or two in this place, there is this empty room. Nobody is sleeping in that room. I can clean up the whole place, put phone, put fan. I can come and stay with us.
Well, I like you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh.
My prince.
Baby. How are you doing today? I hope you're good.
She's very fine.
Yes, I am fine.
I am fine, baby. My prince, it's okay. Baby. Yes, now. He called you baby. Are you not my own baby? Go and prepare something delicious for your baby to eat.
He didn't say he was hungry.
Go and prepare something for him to eat.
Sorry, excuse me.
My prince, you're welcome. Thank you for everything.
Come on, Mama, it's nothing. It's nothing to compare to what is forthcoming.
My daughter,
He's fine.
I believe you made up your mind to be in a marriage relationship with him.
Yes, Father.
Out of love and happiness. All right. In that case, yes. Yes. Let's have a drink. Be careful. Yes. So let us make a toast to love and happiness. And with this drink, I bless your union.
Say,
Love shall be the foundation thereof,
say,
and happiness shall be its roofing.
say.
Yes.
What are you celebrating here, Father? My absence.
Oh, son.
What's going on? Mother.
Joshua here.
Your Highness.
You're welcome, my dear. Joshua here have proposed to your sister, and she accepted.
Wow, congratulations, man.
Thank you, my dear.
I must say you're very fast.
Congratulations, my princess.
Thank you.
So, what's your name?
I'm Joshua.
Joshua, I love my beautiful sister Maria so much, and I would like you to please take very good care of her.
Sure, I will.
She's my older sister. You know what I mean?
Machi,
Your Highness.
bring more seats and more drinks. This calls for
Please hurry up.
My dear.
My son has been speaking so highly of you. Even though you come from a family that has nothing to offer the throne or the community. But I know you have something to offer. No matter how small, I know you have something to offer. It requires more than your determination.
What's that thing, Your Highness?
Peace of mind. You see, William is my only son and the heir to my throne. I have so many opposition that wants the collapse of my empire. And that's why I've determined to make him happy and for him to live a free life. But if you, as his queen, would give him rest and happiness, oh, you would have made me a fulfilled man. Are you ready to do that for me?
Well, I promise to do my best. I'll make an effort to give him the happiness he deserves.
I'm happy. Truly, I'm happy. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Hello? Nekedu, how are you? Did you later meet with the king? What did he tell you? Unokwa, you don't want to tell me. No problem now, keep it to yourself. The most important thing is, as long as you end up being the next queen of Okiwe Ancient Kingdom, I don't have a problem. Let me allow you enjoy your stay at the palace. Dalo. Good news. Not every time. Bad news from left, right, and center.
So this is what all this was all about, eh? You dumped me so you could seduce Jane's fiancé?
Is that how you want to put it?
Are you not ashamed of yourself? How could you stab your own best friend in the back? You're shameless, oh.
Why should I be ashamed of myself? No, tell me, Ekene, why should I be ashamed of myself? Because I dumped you for someone richer, better, in fact, best. Someone handsome than you are. You want me to be ashamed of myself? Let me tell you something. I will seduce him over and over again if opportunity presents itself. You cannot do anything. Nikwage, I should be ashamed of myself. No, I should be crying now.
Ekene, let's go before I kill this girl. Yeah. Let's go. I'm boiling inside of me right now.
Who on jail? Nakwe Wiley generator. You want to kill you? Me, Ujunwa. You want to kill me? That's why you're vibrating like vibrator. You want to kill me? Now try it now. Why me, Anu?
Uju, don't touch me, oh. I will deal with you. Me, I'm not Ekene. I will deal with you.
You can never be Ekene because you are an idiot.
Ludi, let's go.
Try it. Try it now. Nah, you cannot do anything. The way you get me, rubbish.
You think I'm Ekene?
Come and try it now.
Ludi, let's go.
Leave him. Come and beat me now. Why even why not taking that? I won't see anything. You will not see anything. No, come and try it now. Cross Godina and now. Just cross this line. If you say your name is into the cross this line and come and touch me.
Me, Abi.
Guy, I need that arguments. Rubbish. Try me. Like I had the poverty people. I'm someone to the poverty.
Can you just stop? Stop, please. Stop. Stop. No.
Come on, baby. I want to have this moment.
No, please. Stop. No. Listen, I need to tell you something.
The only thing I want to hear now is your schedule.
Hey, stop. Williams, please stop. Come on.
Come here.
Can you stop it? What are you doing?
What?
No, man. No way. Stop.
What?
Stop it.
What is this?
was what I was trying to tell you. You didn't listen to me. I'm in my period.
Are you stupid or something? So you're in your bloody period and you're here with me. To do what exactly? For me to be looking at you like you're cinemas? Are you mad or something?
Hello, please come. Please come and save me. I'm scared for my life. Please save me. Oh, okay, wait. Yes. Okay, Royal Palace. Please help me. Please help me. Oh, please save me. I don't want to die, please.
Her voice last night when she was screaming. I thought you people had a fight. What really happened?
No, mother, nothing happened. That's not the point. I need
to... I bet he was beating her last night. That's why she had to go this early before he wakes up.
No, my son will not do such a thing. He will not treat his guests like that.
What's the meaning of this? Huh? Are you people trying to tell me that none of you saw her leave this palace?
Not my prince.
So of what use are you guys in this palace? Huh? Are you not supposed to protect us at night?
Sorry, my prince. She cannot leave this palace without somebody helping her. I locked the gates.
You locked the gate, so where is she? Where is she? Cowards! All you know how to do is to eat! Cowards! May the gods of our land protect you, or if I don't find her. And you're not doing your job.
Must have been a long night.
I was so scared. I thought I was going to die. He kept hitting my stomach.
Guys, I'm telling you. I'm sorry about that. You'll be fine. Do you want to press charges? Because I know some people I can place calls to that will come into your aid.
Yes.
Are those the same people you called that came to rescue me?
No. That's my friend actually. I was lucky enough for him to come to our rescue because he was in town.
Oh, thank you so much. If they hadn't come at the right time, I don't know what would have happened to me.
You don't have to thank
you.
We did what we could do as friends, okay? Let me even check the leg. Sorry. Sorry. There's actually no fracture. Don't worry, I'll get you some herbs to speed up the healing. Meanwhile, you need to go home and tell your mother exactly what happened.
She will never believe me. She will say I just did all of this on purpose, so as to break up with the prince.
Can a mother do something like that to her own child?
I wonder.
I mean, to trust and believe in stranger over her own blood child.
My mother will do worse. She will. Anyway, you're right. I have to go home before she sends some policemen to come here and arrest you for kidnap or something.
Sorry.
Let me just get my shoes.
Like somebody is not here.
Who's that? Mama?
Papa?
Love. Is everything okay?
Officer.
This is the coward that kidnapped my wife from the palace last night.
What?
I'm going to make sure you spend the rest of your pathetic days in the police custody.
Me? Kidnap? Mama, are you
Arrest
here?
him. Yes, you kidnapped my daughter.
Mama, are you saying this?
Kidnapper.
Young man, you are under arrest for the offense of kidnapping. And
there's no point to read me right. I know them. Do what you want to do.
follow us down to the station.
Let's move. Let me call my friend.
Allow him. Let him make it.
Hello, Ndudi. Yes, I don't know what's going on. I've just been picked up by the police. Yes.
You called him to tell him that Ekene has been arrested by the police just now.
I've been trying his number, but it's not going through. Eh?
Keep trying.
I don't even know. I'm just confused. Eh?
Keep trying.
He's still switched off, eh? So what kind of problem is this? Eh?
Try again. Put it on. Try.
What kind of problem is this now?
Please keep trying. Keep trying. Why we rush over to the police station? Just try.
I don't know. I'm just confused right now.
Please try.
do? Organic woman that made the police to arrest him. They even handcuffed him like a common thief.
My dear, if you ask me, I'm really surprised. I don't know. What kind of offense will Ekene commit that will make this policeman drag him like a common criminal? Can they help with the offense? I'm still wondering, because Ekene I know very well cannot commit that kind of offense that will make the police to drag him like that. I'm still surprised. Anyway, whatever it is.
What about Uju? She has been forming busy recently. Do you think she's up to something?
I don't know about her. You know she's very secretive, and you cannot predict her next move. And I don't even care to know about her whereabouts. I don't care.
Fine, let's just try to see what we can do to her. Just calm down. Please.
Don't worry.
Welcome back. Welcome.
Thank you.
How did you manage to
Leave the police custody?
Yes, how did you do it?
Nobody here knows some policemen he spoke to, and the police knows that I'm innocent.
Oh.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And how are you feeling? I hope you feel better.
Well, now that he's back, I feel fine.
I know.
I'll take you to the house now so that you can see.
No, I don't want to go to the house. Prince Williams will be with Mama, and I don't want him to see you.
Don't worry about that. Prince Williams is not a factor in this, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
You need to see your mother. You need to go home. Okay?
Okay. Get him water to drink at least.
So, Mama, I make sure that the police will detain him for a very long time. That boy is a criminal. He's a thief. Can you imagine that he stole my wallet from me?
Chimo, he stole your wallet? Nah, Imerofuma, you have done the right thing. Keep him there. At least let my daughter know that he is not your match. That the Pamwaitapa is not your match. It's not like he's handsome. Ojurego. What is his problem, sir?
Mama, you don't have to worry. By the time that I'm through with him, he will be left with no other alternative but to leave this village entirely.
That's what I want. So that he will stop disturbing my daughter.
My prince, Chinelo, my daughter, once told me that you beat her. Is that true? Liquid. See, because I don't want to marry my only daughter to a woman beater. Atoromia.
I will be honest with you. What transpired between us was just a little fracas. I mean, a little misunderstanding, and I accidentally hit her.
Doubting Thomas, did you hear that? What transpired was a little fracas, okay? And accidentally, Akia met you.
It's a gesture that I deeply regretted.
And he said that gesture he deeply regretted. And you have promised it will never happen again.
Mommy, I promise it will never repeat itself again. Mama,
without test, there will be no testimony.
Mama, I'll be rushing to my side, so please hold on to this and buy anything that you want to buy.
Okay. Hey! The prince. Thank you so much. You see why I said you must marry my daughter? See, whatever I want, I get without stress.
It's little to compare to what will come by the time we get married. You will come with us to Abuja, and you will now stay close to Asorok, I promise.
I don't even know what my daughter saw in that palm wine tapper.
Love and respect. That's exactly what I see in him. Something he clearly doesn't have. Listen, Ekene might be poor, but he's a far better man than this spoiled little kid.
I pray you see what I am seeing. I pray you see what I am seeing so that your future will be bright. I pray you see it.
Can't you see that she's sleeping?
She's sleeping?
Yeah.
After trekking from that long distance where she went to see that pauper, where am I limping? It's as a result of the trek now, long distance, he's limping. Timerem Asiake Buruchi Pupo Yojo, let her limp. Timerem Obiamae, the Mewe Gorilla Nyale, Merem.
Ujunwa, for 2 days now you have been throwing up. What is happening? Are you okay?
Yes, Papa, I'm fine. I'm okay.
Are you sure you are fine?
Yes, I'm perfectly fine, sir.
You look weak and you spit a lot these days. Is there anything you need to tell me?
There's nothing, Papa. I'm fine. Papa, don't worry. I've prepared something. Let me just sweep all this thing and come outside.
It's all right.
Williams.
Yes, Father.
You didn't tell me about your search for your guest that vanished here in the palace. Did you later see her?
Yes, Father. She was abducted by some men, but I was able to rescue her. She's fine now, Father.
She was adopted in this palace?
Yes, Father.
How?
You know, she came out to enjoy some ventilation at night when some intruders invaded our compound and kidnapped her. That was exactly what happened.
She was kidnapped, and yet the guards are not aware nor the gates tampered. Greetings, Father.
Are you trying to say that there's more to it that we do not know?
Yes, Father. I feel Chinelo intentionally left this palace to escape from Prince William's assaults. Father, she ran out of this palace the night he was beating her.
Chinelo, how dare you stand before Father and light at my face?
I heard her screaming and crying. I heard you threatening her life that you are going to kill her. Father, you gave birth to a son who has no sympathy for human. Excuse me, Father.
Father, you know, Chinelo, you don't have to believe her. Everything that she has said here practically is a lie. Lies, Father!
I want to see that very maid. I want to see her right away. Bring her before my presence.
Father.
I say now.
I know you hate me,
But I don't care. The word they say is survival of the fittest. You need to be strong, wise and smart to survive this world. And Ujungwa is strong, wise and smart. That is why I'm surviving.
Ujungwa. Uju, you think you're smart, right? Now let me let you know something you don't know. There is a principle that governs this whole world. What goes around, turns around. Now let me let you know something. Whatever you give to the universe is what the universe will give back to you. There is a word called karma, and I know whether you like it or not, karma will surely catch up with you. You think you're smart by betraying your own best friend and getting pregnant for a boyfriend. You're disgusting.
Juliet, the relationship therapist. Juliet, the chief advisor. Juliet, the consoler. Blessing CIO. We all know you. I know you too well. I know you want to give me advice, but I don't need it. Sweetheart, I set the rule of the game. I choose who wins and who loses. And you see this particular game, I win. I'm always a winner.
Don't worry. We shall see.
We shall see nothing.
Why is this guy always following me around? What does he want this time? Here he comes smiling sheepishly.
My pretty damsel. I was just coming from the house. I met Papa and he said you were not around. I would like to have a talk with you.
You and I have nothing to talk about. They say when you get close to a person, that's when you know their true character.
I get where that is coming from. I know what happened was not supposed to have happened. And I am deeply sorry about it. Please, let's forget about what happened in the past and move forward. I believe we can fix this.
Williams, if you think in your little mind that I will ever have anything to do with you ever again, then you're lying to yourself. I have nothing to do with you, okay? Stay away from me.
Chinero, are you going to trash everything that we have built together? Because of what exactly?
Because of peace of mind. And him. My love.
Honey, how are you? Have you been waiting for me?
Hey.
Hi.
What's the meaning of this? What is happening here? Huh?
Hi.
Eh? What will a beautiful girl like you be doing with this village champion? This village pan one tapper that can't even afford to do anything for you? Huh? Biawokim, I like this girl so much. As a matter of fact, I've been dating her for the past 6 months. So I'm going to talk to you as a friend to please help me talk to her. I mean, name your price. Anything that you want, I will give it to you. But please, stay very far away from her.
Well, thank you for your pitch. But unfortunately, you are too poor to pay me.
That the prince of Okigwe, ancient kingdom, is too poor to pay you local Pawine Tapa.
You heard me loud and clear. I'd advise you take that little money you think you have and invest it into something to better your life.
Exactly.
That will be more useful.
My love, please,
Yes,
can we not just exchange words with them? Let's leave this place. You're becoming a distraction.
Yes, it's too insignificant to steal our joy.
Uh-huh.
Let's just...
My prince, are you going to allow that? Uju! Obian Uju! Come.
You said the man that got you pregnant will be coming to see me and my kinsmen today. I've already informed them. And it is past 4 now. The man is nowhere to be seen. Have you called to find out if he's still coming today?
Yes, Papa, I've called him. He said he's still coming. Maybe let's give him an hour or so. He will come.
Oh, the moon. Well,
My love, please, I'm very sorry. I'm sorry, I don't know what came over me. I don't know if that girl used charm. In short, she used charm on me. If not, why would I leave someone like you and go for that thing? Please, forgive me, I am sorry. Please, it's you that I love. Please.
James, I don't get what you're trying to do. That girl is pregnant for you and you know that.
I'm not even sure I'm the one responsible for that pregnancy, but even if she's carrying my child, she will give birth and stay in the village with the child. Why, I will marry you and take you to the city. Please, it's you that I love.
Jane, my friend. I know that Ujunwa hurt you so deeply. I know how you feel. But please, you have to find your place in your heart to forgive him. Okay? I don't want you to give Ujunwa that chance to celebrate that victory. No, you shouldn't. You have to stand your ground and fight. Take what rightfully belongs to you. Don't give her that chance at all. Please. Forgive him, okay? Please. If you give him a second chance, I'm sure he will not betray you again. That is if he's ready to come back and pay your dowry now.
I am ready, I am ready. I can even pay a bride price tomorrow. I will pay for everything. Please, just forgive me.
Please.
It's my love.
Forgive him. Just calm down. Forgive him, okay?
Please.
Forgive him. You know, go on.
Sweetheart.
It's painful, but just let it go.
It's you I want to spend the rest of my life with.
It's
you I love.
He will treat you well this time.
Please.
Okay? Be good.
My love. Say yes. Say you have forgiven me.
Love, 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 love.
Son,
Father.
the reason why I want you to come with the maiden is because, you know, I want to know when you intend to go see their people. We also need to, you know, get the consent of the maiden. And remember, you really need to get married because that is the prerequisite for you to ascend the throne.
What about Chinelo, your love?
Actually, Mother, nothing happened. It's just that her father is sick. And as the only child of the family, she needs to stay and take care of him.
Is it not better for you to assist her take her father to the hospital so that they can help him than leaving her alone.
Yeah, that will in fact help our father to have a speedy recovery.
Of course.
Also give her time to come to us for us to be done with our ritual.
Father, Mother just gave me the best idea ever. I will go and see her pretty soon. Very well.
Right away.
Mother.
James, I've been calling your number for the past 2 days and it has been saying not reachable. Why?
Oh, I'm the one that blocked your number from my husband's phone. You haven't heard? We did our marriage yesterday and we are heading to the city to do our court wedding. Honey, let's go.
James, you have nothing to say.
Honey, let's go.
James, so you're just going to keep quiet on me? Go away, you're a loser!
I'm waiting, oh. Did you add sugar?
No, Mama, the doctor said only for you.
Come, my daughter. Come and sit. I want to talk to you. Adam.
Mama.
I know you love Ekene so much. But I also want you to know that Ekene is not the kind of man that will bring out the best in you. I mean, the best in us. We need a man that has vision. Okay, Giegwe. A man like Prince Williams.
Mama, what is the problem? Are you suffering?
I am suffering. And I am suffering. I need to be shining. You need to be traveling abroad, going to Lagos, Enugu, Abuja on aeroplane.
Mama, a lot of people are begging God that they want to be like you right now. With this same Akara, I've been going to school. I've never lacked anything.
God forbid.
So what is the problem, Mama?
I am sick.
Mama, you don't look sick at all.
No, I am sick. When you don't have money, you're sick. When you don't have money, you're suffering.
Mama, where is all of this coming from? Oh, wait. Did Prince Williams put you up to this? Did he tell you to talk to me about leaving Ekene? Because if he did, kindly tell him that I will not. That alone is mission impossible. It will never happen.
My daughter that I know. I know you will never hesitate to defend the Pawang Tapa. I mean, you are Ekene. But let me tell you, Prince Williams did not tell me to talk to you. I am your mother. I know when a man is in love. And very soon, from what I am seeing, he will make his intention known to us. And when that happens, I know you're going to say yes without hesitating.
Mama, I will do no such thing. It will never happen. Please.
You will even do more than that. Because nobody wants to suffer. You will say yes, you even embrace the situation and see and you got it. Because you will not suffer. And me, I am tired of suffering. You will say yes, I know. Because nobody will live where they are marrying to where they are mourning. And I have
Mama, nobody died in Ekene's house. Please leave me alone. Ekene is a graduate. I don't know why you are doing this. Stop, Mama. Mama, leave me alone.
Think about it. Think about it. You cannot miss this opportunity of becoming a queen. And me, a queen. This tea that I'm drinking, settle, Lipton. This is not what I'll be taking by the time he gets married to you.
Just to keep them apart. We're in a mosque every single day, hoping they see the real me someday. I laugh at their jokes, but inside I'm cold. Just a friend, nothing more, that's what I'm told. But every time you're near, my walls come down. Hope for that one day you'll see me as I am now.
Okay, I know this hat. Chinelo.
How did you know it was me?
How can I not know the texture of your hat?
Love and disguise, I wear it well, hiding my heart, hoping for respect. Though we hurt deep, we'll never give in. Hopeful you'll see.
You know what? Let's go.
I pretend to be strong, but inside I'm lost.
Ekene, right? Mama have told me everything you have been doing for the family. And most especially, Chinelo here, my woman. So I want to use this opportunity to thank you for your kind gesture towards them. Going forward, you and I know the truth. You do not have the financial capabilities nor the academic qualification to care for the two of them. So what I'm saying in essence is that you name your price. Tell me how much you have spent on them and I will gladly pay you back handsomely. I believe you like Chinelo or love her either. If you do, then you should allow her have a good life.
I used to think you were just a rich dunce. I never knew you were this wise. Anyways, like you said, I love Chinelo here very much. And I will do anything to make sure she's happy. If you offer me money, it's what it will take to give her happiness. I don't mind. My love, don't worry.
What are you saying? Listen, my love, please do not let him come between us. Just please don't do this to us.
I don't care about myself at this point. I'll be fine. All I want is for you to be happy.
Happy?
Yes.
What happiness are you talking about?
My love, just hang on. I will write you the amount on the floor because, like you said, I am not academically qualified to write on paper.
What is? There, yeah, they carry 100,000. Even more, yeah, up there, yeah, kwa G kine dekwa. Many G meaning girl so yema.
My love, that's what your words to me. If you're capable of raising this kind of money, then I'll gladly leave you for this Dumbo.
Listen, don't taunt him because of his kindness. Manakanjo.
You are not just poor, but very stupid.
Very stupid.
And listen to me. I am going to marry this pretty damsel right here. And there's nothing that you will do about it. Neither will you see my one error.
You are open to try. My love. My love for you is irreplaceable, okay?
Ego wana asigidi makuru ede G ke ya putara. Gia hospital nye no gini isi okpo. Ego ne biya. Ijiri ya.
You ugly poor thing. I just want to warn you to stay away from my woman. Do you hear me? Else, I will make sure that she leaves you disgracefully.
That's for insulting my man.
Slap me? Do you want some more?
Both of you are finished. I'll make sure I use the money that I was supposed to use to fix your life. Your ugly, poor life. I will use it to shock you. I'll make sure I suffer you.
You're a poor man. Rich people don't brag about their wealth. You're a pauper. Let's go. So, what were we saying? Are you serious?
Papa. Papa, please, can I get 500 naira from you? I've been having fever since last night. So I can use it and get medicine.
You said?
I've been having fever since last night. Can I get 500 naira from you so I can buy medicine?
Are you okay?
Yes, Papa.
Then you must be an idiot. For you to think that my money will enter into your hand. You said you are an opportunist. Reason you left a hard-working young man who is ready to worship even your footsteps to follow a useless shadow of a man. Now you are back to ask me for money. Are you asking me the one Ekene gave me? Or the one your useless man gave to me? Which money are you asking?
I know I've made mistakes. I'm still regretting it. I know I'm still regretting it. But that does not mean you should not take care of me. I'm your daughter. Oh. Baby, forgive me. I'm your daughter. If I die now, you will cry. Or if I die, you will cry.
There is nothing to forgive. What am I forgiving you for? Huh? You have chosen your path. You are the one who is going through the pains. What am I forgiving you for? Just continue in your pains. There is no problem.
Are you going to give me the money?
I said I don't have money.
Mama, if I die, you will cry. Oh, my spirit will not forgive you. My spirit will not forgive you. I will be following you.
Chinelo, I've seen that in this life you wish me nothing but evil. But I swear, instead of you to kill me, I'll be the one to kill you first. That is if you don't stop acting like a stupid girl.
Mama, what is it? Why are you so vile? Don't you even have conscience? Why are you so eager to throw me to a total stranger you just met?
That same stranger that
Me, your only child, Mama.
You call him a stranger. That stranger has proven better than that idiot that you follow up and down.
Mama, what is your problem exactly? Because he has accepted the pregnancy. What else do you want?
Listen. You either marry Prince Williams or you have me to contend with in this house.
Mama, you are young enough and you can still marry 2 husbands. Leave me out of it, I will not marry.
Congratulations. I know you are pregnant. And the one who got you pregnant is that good for nothing palm wine tapper. And I also know that you purposely got pregnant for him in order to avoid Prince Williams.
Mama, I am not pregnant. I don't know what you're talking about.
Let me tell you. What I see sitting, if you like, climb up, you will not see it. Congratulations, pregnant woman.
Mama, I've told you I'm not pregnant. Please leave me.
You're not No, come, let me examine you. The way our mother used to examine us.
Are you a doctor? Mama, doctor.
Come, let me examine you the way our mothers used to examine us. Come, that I did not go to school to become a doctor does not mean I don't know when a woman is pregnant. Come now! Let me tell you, I don't care who got you pregnant. The most important thing is that whether you like it or not, you must marry Prince Williams. Nonsense. Come back! Let me examine you, pregnant woman. Let me examine you now.
Ekene, so you're making this worse.
How am I making it worse? No, tell me. How am I making it worse when I'm going to have a child with the most beautiful woman in the world?
Stop.
What now?
If my mother finds out I'm pregnant, she will kill me.
Haba, Chinelo. Hey, but he's not getting married to your mother now. He's getting married to you, eh?
That is it.
You need to stop all these your negative thoughts, I beg.
My love, just go home and tell your mother that you're pregnant by me and I'm coming to pay your bride price and I'm serious.
Exactly.
You want her to just chop my head off, right?
No, now this is a marriage talk we are talking about now. It's not like I'm dumping you, I'm serious. Biko, no.
Be happy.
Mama, you need to stop crying. There is nothing money cannot solve.
Even the Bible says that money stops all things.
Money cannot stop this one. Money cannot stop this one. It's not about money. It's not about money.
Then, Mama, what is it all about? That is the only thing that I know money cannot solve. So what is it? Did somebody die?
Mother Anguro, nobody died though. But this one is something else. Chinelo went and opened her legs for that good one, not a young boy. Did Pamai Tapa. She's not pregnant for him.
Mama, you say?
So she's pregnant.
Mama, I plan to marry Chinelo. I will care for her and that of her baby.
Jello, are you serious? Like, you will still marry her regardless?
Mama, I love Chinelo so much. She's everything and more that I've ever wanted in a woman. Loving her means loving everything about her. So yes, I will marry her, Mama, because I love her so much.
Hey.
So, Mama, give me this opportunity so I can wipe the tears in your face and replace it with smiles and merriment.
Take me. Take me. Can you not do it? What am I doing? Look at the tears. Now wipe it. Wipe the tears and give me merriment. That's all I want.
Stop crying, Mama.
God bless you. Dalo. Chuku goziegi. Hey. I'll tell her. I'll talk to her about it. I'll tell her to marry you.
Please, Mama.
Hey.
Wipe your tears.
Money see me ya wipe ya. Your merriment. Hey. Talo. God bless you.
My love, do you trust me? If you do, then worry not. Because I'm going to make you the happiest woman on earth.
Or are you worried about how he's going to fend for you and your baby?
No, that's not a worry to me. But my mother, she told me she hates me because my birth caused the death of my father. And she had to single-handedly raise me all by herself. And that's why she wants me to marry Prince William. So, you know, she can be wealthy at least.
So what are you going to do about it? Are you going to marry him?
No, I would never do that. I don't love him. It's you I love and I want to be with you. But promise me. Promise me that you will never hurt me.
You are the best thing that has happened to me. I make you this promise that I will not hurt you. And you will never regret this. Come.
Oh, I'm so happy for you guys. Ekene, I think I need to start making the wedding preparations. So happy for you guys.
My daughter, I know that you're pregnant. And the one who is responsible is that low life, the palm wine tapper. I know.
Well, I told him about it and he accepted.
There is no need telling him. It's not necessary. Because Prince Williams has promised to take care of you and your baby. Forget Ekene.
Mama, you claim to love my father, but you're just lying to yourself. Because if you do, you will love the seed he planted in you. Oh, I forgot. He's not my father. The only reason you hate me is because he stepped in to help you because you got pregnant out of wedlock. And that's why you hate me so much. Not because my father died. Right?
And as you can see, history is about to repeat itself. And I don't want you, my daughter, to make your own choice. You're going to make the right choice this time around by choosing a suitable man who is capable of taking care of you and your baby. In fact, taking care of all of us.
FYI, Mama. I will not make your mistake. My child will meet its real father. I will give my child to the right father, his own father.
That one is not father. That one is panda. That one is panda. Panda of Afime. He's not father. You're going to marry Prince Williams so that he will better our lives.
Son, tell me, is this the reason you want to make her your wife?
No, not really, Father. I mean, she's got everything I need in a woman. She's humble, caring, and submissive.
Ndode,
Yes, Your Majesty.
You are his personal guard. Did you approve the maiden to my son, the heir of Umun's throne? Sacrifice everything in search out for. Does she want the sacrifice?
Yes, Your Majesty. She is worth it and even more.
I shall discuss with my kingsmen. We'll go and bring her.
Thank you, Father.
Your Highness.
You're welcome. How are you doing?
Are you...
He's the one. He's the same palm wine tapper you all were mocking at the village. In fact, he's the one who asked me to come back to you.
How do you know?
Bow before you, my prince. Pardon me. If I would be a fool if I did not recognize your presence.
Uju is pregnant for you, right?
Yes, my prince.
You will go back to Jane and propose to her. She's the one you'll marry. And you should never go back to Uju.
But my prince, she's carrying my child.
When the child is born, you'll take care of it through welfare union. But stay away from Uju. And don't make her life comfortable. Understood?
Yes, my prince.
Good. And don't forget, stay away from her.
So how is marriage life treating you both? Hope you're making the best of it.
Thank you so much, my prince. Indeed, one shouldn't judge a book by its cover.
That's good to know.
Thank you very much, my prince.
You're welcome anytime. So tell me, how is marriage life treating you both?
You see, Jane here has been one of the best things that have happened to me.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you very much.
Ndode! Ndode! Please tell the maidens to get them some refreshment.
Okay, Your Highness.
Chinedu, why are you doing this to yourself? All I'm asking is that you accept me, just say yes to me, and I will change your life all around. I mean, look at yourself. You're living like a beggar here.
My prince, she's just unnecessarily stubborn. It's been 2 weeks she said her Ekene will be coming to pay her diary. Yet there is no sign of Ekene anywhere in this entire village. Maybe he has used that opportunity to vunkama career statement.
Mama, if you run away, that's better. I mean, that will be able to give me the opportunity to take proper care of her.
A bird in hand is worth 2 in the bush. Kijika. Nkemjika. 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 They don't do you the more you look, the less you see. You're listening to your father.
Greetings to the family of Ibebaku from His Royal Highness Prince Ekene of Umunze Kingdom.
So sorry. I didn't know you before now. Therefore, I will pay you all due respect and bow before you. Before you, as my superior.
Ibaw.
Will you marry me, my love? Please.
Huh?
Chinelo! Chi?
Why are you crying? Up your gangi. Answer me. Chelo, why did you bow? Up your gangi.
Oh, you know rock as my superior. Oh, you don't know so you.
No, up your gangi.
Mba, Joa.
I smile through the tears, hide my true heart.
I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry I didn't tell you who I was, but I couldn't because I was here on a mission. I was needed in my kingdom to ascend the throne. But I couldn't do that if I didn't get married. And every woman that came my way came for the money. I needed to take another guise to find true love. That was why I didn't tell you. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
Please forgive him, Chinelo. I was the one that advised him to disguise and leave the community in search for true love. Please, I promise you, the prince will take good care of you and make you the happiest woman on earth. Please.
Please.
I try so hard to keep you away.
Please say yes to me, please.
But when you're around, my guard does sway. Love in disguise, I wear it well, hiding my heart, hoping for respect. Though it hurts deep, I'll never give in. Hopeful you'll see the real me within.
Congratulations, my friend. Thank you.
Pretend to be strong, but inside I'm lost. Wondering if you'll ever feel the same cost. Every moment we spend feels like a dream, hoping that love will set us free. I try so hard to keep you at bay, but when you're around, my guard is sway. Love in the skies, I wear it well, hiding my heart, hoping for a spare. Though it hurts